The default behavior of the camera using orbit controls in Three.js doesn't have any effect, and here I'm talking about smooth camera movements more precisely. So as you may know, we can do that by using the dampen property. Now, even though we got streamlined rotation and panning, the zooming part isn't affected by the damping. That being said, the bad news is that the smooth zoom-in effect is not possible with orbit controls, at least till the current version of Three.js. The good news, on the other hand, is that we still can easily achieve that following a couple steps. So the main idea of what we are going to do is simply borrow the zoom damping from the trackball controls module. Next, I'm going to disable the zoom from the orbit controls, since we are going to let the trackball controls handle that. Then I'll create an instance of the trackball controls and disable the rotation and panning from it, and activate only the zoom. Finally, in the animate function, I'm going to match the target of both controls. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.